Wash these clothes. My chain done broke on me. $3.50. Damn it. Wash clothes ain't no joke, boy. Gotta get it done. But girl, quit fucking moving my damn shit with that damn toy. What's wrong with you? Keep that fucking toy over there. Fucking playing with you now. I'll beat your little ass. Fucking badass fucking bastard. Get these damn clothes up out of here. How much these motherfuckers cost? Wash clothes is expensive. Yo, is this motherfucker in the fucking dryer? What the fuck? Go over here and play some fucking game. Watch out, man.
Just waiting on my clothes to get done.
I know what motherfucker. I know what you run into me on that motherfucking basket. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Waiting on my clothes to get done washing.
Run into me if you want to. Kick your fucking ass right out that basket. Come check on my shit.
You made me so proud.
Yeah, you little bastard. Take my damn fucking clothes out the damn machine. These are not your clothes. Get the fuck away from there. This motherfucker is on top of the fucking machine. These bitches in here done gone crazy. There's some crazy ass shit going on in this laundromat today. Let me hurry before these clothes so I can get the fuck up out of here. This is not a fucking jungle gym. It's a laundromat, as you can see. Can you get down? I need that. That's what your ass get, dummy. Stupid ass. Damn, I hate folding fucking sheets. Where's my other sock, man? Dried and ate my damn sock. Too much going on up in here. I'm fucking aggravated. Got clothes all in the sheet. That might be my other damn sock I'm looking for. Let me get the fuck up out of here before I kill some damn body. These people in here done went crazy.